a lot crazier than I intended. Yeah, I may not be going back that way. Oh, this iceberg's making crazy noises. It sounds like it's being deep fried. The ocean water is about 40-45 degrees, and so it's substantially warmer than the ice. Oh, that is cool. I want to see if I can catch myself a fish for dinner, and usually the fishing's better when you're fishing underneath cliffs as opposed to beach.